Good morning. I am a hot mess. Well, I just woke up, so it's understandable, but my hair desperately needs to be washed. But I was hoping to get up and go for a run this morning, but I've woken up with a very sore neck. I've obviously slept in the wrong position. So I'm going to try and do some yoga and see how that goes. And the sun is out, so I'm really hoping it stays because I would love to take Louis for a day at the beach. It's a Saturday. I'm wanting to upload more content to my YouTube channel and just give you guys some more stuff to watch because I noticed recently you guys have been watching my videos more, so I should bring more to you. So hopefully the vlogs are fun because I might alternate like a normal video on my channel and a vlog just because vlogs are much quicker to edit, and also I know some of you like to see what I get up to, what I eat, and what life is like here in the UK. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Let's get into it.
What have you got if you haven't got love?
It's a really cloudy day today and the sun keeps going in and out, so filming this is going to be an absolute nightmare. But I'm having good old Vegemite on toast. How Aussie of me. I think I'm going to put some of the Violife Epic Mature on top. Yum! If you guys haven't tried this cheese, it is delicious. And I've got Oatly creamy spread on the base.
I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. If I may, if I may. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may, may. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you.
I'm just blow drying my hair and basically leaving it today because I'm going down to the coast and it's likely to be very windy, and also I left my hairbrush in London when I went to visit my friends, so I need to buy another one. So I've just been combing my hair recently and yeah, just can't be bothered with all the rigmarole of trying to like style my hair with just a comb. So fluffy hair it is. So actually my hair didn't turn out too badly considering it was just blow dried. It doesn't have a lot of volume, but it will do. It's just gonna get messed up when I go to the beach anyway. So, oh, I haven't got earrings on. I have to put some earrings on. And Louis and I are gonna get going. It's pretty grey, but I've been wanting to go to the coast for so long and I keep waiting for a beautiful day, and every day it's a beautiful day I have to work because I have deadlines and things and I can't just like postpone. So, you know what? I'm just gonna go. I wanna see the coastline, and it's one of those things I feel like it's just never gonna happen unless I just jump on it and do it. It's not gonna rain, fingers crossed, at least that's what the weather forecast says. It's just overcast, so let's go and do it. So we have just arrived at Beachy Head, I think it's called. And parking is actually really good. It's like £1 for an hour, considering I'm not going to be here for like ages. That's not too bad. So I'm going to get some parking and take Louis for a walk, and I'll show you guys the view because it is freaking amazing. And then I just saw there's a huge like city, which I think is Eastbourne or maybe Seaford, that looks absolutely gorgeous. And I have been considering like where I want to live and what I want to do, because with COVID and everything, I just have no idea what my next step should be, because we're looking at maybe going into more lockdowns over winter, and if that happens maybe I'll go back to Australia. I don't know, but if I do stay in the UK, I like the idea of living in a coastal city like Eastbourne, Seaford, Brighton, something like that. I miss the ocean and I really feel like I need to live near the ocean in my life so that I can go daily for walks on the seafront and stuff, just as someone that grew up by the sea. I really feel like I need that in my life these days, so I'm really excited to explore. So They have no card option for parking. It's only cash, and it's only coins, in fact. And like, there's no ATMs or anything, so I guess I have to keep driving and find somewhere else. I don't know. But yeah, it's impossible. Like, how am I supposed to pay for parking? Okay, so I drove a little bit further and I found another car park that is also paid, but the machine is out of order, so it's impossible for me to pay. So I'm just gonna park here. I don't mind paying, but I only have cards, so what am I supposed to do? But there's no one here anyway, so yeah, let's go for a walk. Someone is very excited. Like bounding through the grass. What do you think, Louis? You happy? This is stunning. I didn't even know I was going to get to see this. And the beautiful and famous white cliffs are here. I don't know if you guys can see because this lens is not ideal for this, but over there we've also got the Seven Sisters Cliffs. So beautiful. The landscape is so stunning. You can see right down the coast there's all these white cliffs. You've got the lighthouse here, and then there's another, what looks like fort or lighthouse down that way as well. So much to see. We might not walk the whole thing because Louis can't walk very far, but we might take the car further down and see what's going on. But first I'm going to have some lunch because I'm absolutely starving and it's already after 2. So I made this Greek style bean and onion salad. So let's have a munch. What do you think? Louis trying to have my lunch. It's beans and onion. I don't think it's for you, mate. So I managed to find a spot where you can park on the road and not have to pay, which is good. I just don't want to get a fine because I'm borrowing the car. So if I could pay, I would, to be good, but it's not possible. So now we are hiking up a path that everyone else is hiking up, and we'll see where we end up. Where are we going, Louis? Do you know where we're going? Apparently Louis knows exactly where we're going and he's leading the way. He just stopped for a drink and I watered him a little bit to cool him down. If you can see behind me, there is Seven Sisters. Stunning. This was such a surprise walk. I had no idea where I was going. There was no plan to this day. So pretty happy with the outcome, really. We are heading back the way we came because there is massive hills to go up and down, which would be fine for me. Whoops, Louis going under my legs. But because Louis is old and he has a heart murmur, he's not up for that. And it is warmer than I anticipated. I'm wearing a jumper and no t-shirt, so I can't be carrying him too much because I will get really hot myself. So we're gonna go back down the other way where it looks like you can get access to the beach. See if we can't dip our toes a little bit. The view this way is not too shabby either, so we're heading down there. We have made it down to the beach. It's quite busy, but it is lovely. It's very stony, you can see. There's like rocks everywhere. Got the Seven Sisters behind us. It's absolutely stunning. I have no idea if Louis ever been near the sea before because obviously he's only recently become my dog, but we're gonna find out. Woo! What do you think, mister? Having the best day and trying to be present and really appreciate what I have at the moment. I think my whole life I've been so focused on what comes next and wanting to have an adventure, which is really important to me in my life, but I think I often am always planning and preparing for the next step and not appreciating what's happening in my life at this moment. For example, with COVID, we're opening up in the UK at the moment, but they've been talking about the fact that the cases are going up and we've got the Delta variety. Louis, we've got the Delta variety happening, and so maybe in winter we'll be going into more lockdowns, and I started to panic and think like maybe I need to go back to Australia because if I lock down here again, what am I going to do financially? I can't see my family and it will have been 2 years. since I was last there, and when I was there I only saw them for less than a week each, so all this stuff started to panic me. And then in the last few days I've just been realizing, like, right now we're not in lockdown. Hi guys. Everyone keeps stopping to pat Louis because he's so cute. I've been told by a couple of people now, just today, that he should be Insta famous. Obviously he has his own Instagram, but he's not famous. I guess he's semi-famous on my channel, I suppose. But yeah, I was sort of realizing, like, right now in the UK we are opening up. I am able to, like, book in music gigs, which is the reason I came over to this side of the world in the first place, so I could be doing that. I can be traveling around the UK and seeing what the UK has to offer, even though I don't have a lot of money because of COVID. I can do things like today and go and see things in the south and go on little day trips and weekend trips and stuff, and maybe even get some opportunities through my YouTube channel to, like, review some amazing accommodation or something. So I need to be, like, more appreciative of what is available to me now and be focused on right now. And if we end up locking down again, then I can think about going back to Australia, because that option is always there. I am a citizen, I can go home if I need to, but I think it's an important lesson in appreciating the present and not panicking about the future, because we can't control it, and we especially can't control it during a pandemic. So yeah, so I'm just enjoying myself, and I hope this little thought session was helpful to someone who maybe is panicking about things too. Like, my anxiety gets the better of me, but life is for enjoying, and there's always something to enjoy about it.
You see, I need to be more like Louis. He's enjoying the moment. Aren't you, Louis? Mr. Man. Louis. Too busy enjoying the moment.
We are back home, and I'm just enjoying a cold cider and some of these M&S sweet chili hand-cooked crisps. That was such a good day. I really needed a day out like that, and it just made me feel so much more positive about being here in the UK, and less like I'm stuck in the situation, and more like there's things that I can enjoy about it. Louis had the best day and is the happiest little guy. He just had his dinner. He's, like, looking pretty chuffed. Aren't you, mister? Come here. Hey, come here. He's stuffed to the gills, but I think he had a pretty darn good day, didn't ya? Mm-hmm. You reckon? Okay. So I'll probably leave today's vlog there. I'm probably just going to watch Netflix and drink cider and figure out what I'm going to have for dinner. Maybe I'll show you guys what I have for dinner, but that's pretty much it for today. Yeah, be a fun day tomorrow. I'm actually working tomorrow, but, well, in the evening with SRV, so I'll take you guys along once again with that. Good morning. Actually, it's afternoon. What time is it? 12:23. I got up this morning and did yoga, and actually I haven't meditated yet. I got interrupted, but yeah, I did my yoga and I chatted with my parents, and I had the same breakfast that I had yesterday. So I thought I would spare you the monotony of doing exactly the same thing. So now I'm going to be getting ready, because today I'm modeling for Scarlet Rage Vintages, or Jade's live shopping experience. So that should be really fun. She's asked me to do a 40s look, so I'm going to do curly hair, like a half up, half down look, and just some basic, like, red lipstick, probably winged liner kind of thing, just something pretty simple. And yeah, basically it's just going to be me getting ready, and then I have to drop off some lighting to her. She's going to borrow my ring light, and then do the live. So today's going to be pretty cruisy. I'm trying to make sure my weekends are kind of sacred spaces where I don't work too much, even though basically the whole of the rest of today is working. It's hard when you do what you like as a job, because then you never really want to take time off from it, and whenever you stop and you want to do something fun, that's the thing that comes to mind. So yes, I think I will do my hair and makeup. Actually, makeup might be a bit premature, but I'll set my hair and maybe tidy up a bit. I do have to post a package, so even though it's Sunday, the local shop does take packages through the post. It just obviously doesn't leave until tomorrow, so I have to send that. And maybe if they have any bread, I might grab a fresh loaf, and then maybe read, or actually I have some editing to do. See, guys, I can't take a day off work. I'm absolutely bloody hopeless, but I really would like to get another video out, so I might do some editing. It's pretty cruisy. I suck at relaxing. I am caught in a dilemma because I really need to set my hair in order to be ready in time, but I'm also really hungry. I know setting my hair is going to take me a while, but I really want to eat some lunch. I'm trying to work out whether I start making lunch and put it in the oven and then do my hair, or whether I do my hair and then start making lunch. I think I might start making lunch and then do my hair. I just hope it dries in time. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we should be alright as long as I have like, it's not focusing. As long as I have like 2 hours to dry my hair, I should be okay. I think. Guys, it is some sort of miracle, but I'm relaxing and I don't really want to do anything. It's like a first. I think it's the weather. It's all like drizzly and rainy, but it's not really cold. It's actually quite humid in a nice way. It's not like sticky. It's just like the perfect temperature. It's super quiet here. Like there's not a lot of traffic at the moment. I have a cup of coffee. I know I'm working this evening, so I'm actually managing to just chill. I've done my yoga today, I've done my meditation, and now I think I'm just gonna watch TV and pat Louis and drink a coffee. And I'm especially gonna take advantage of it because I actually feel like doing it and I don't feel guilty right now that I'm not working. So when that happens, I gotta grab it by the balls and run with it, you know what I'm saying? Grab it by the balls? I think the saying is grab it by the horns, not grab it by the balls. I mean, this is why I'm enjoying it. I've got the window ajar, I can hear the sound of rain, I've got my coffee, and because my roof is tin, there's like this pitter-patter sound and the sound of the fountain, which you guys probably can't see, but it's just there. It's so peaceful. So yes, I'm going to enjoy this period. It's only probably going to be like an hour and a half, but yeah. Gonna watch Rick and Morty, I think, if not just stare out at nothing. Or maybe read, just, you know, whatever I want. I'm not gonna have a plan. Whatever grabs me in the moment, I will do it. I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. Alright, so my makeup is done. I'm gonna turn the brightness down. There we go. Alright, so my makeup is done. Just keeping it pretty simple because it's an Instagram live, so you're not really gonna be able to see my makeup that well anyway. But yeah, I have to go and drop the lights over to Jade, and then I can pretty much continue to chill until it's go time. Okay, I am ready for this evening. Super early, but I always prefer to be ready super early so I can just chill beforehand and feel like really relaxed when I'm gonna work. Yeah, so my pants are ready to go. I have my hair and makeup done. The light is over at Jade's place, so I can chill now. Maybe I'll do some editing, or maybe I'll do editing when I get back. I'm still putting it off, but again, I don't usually do that, so I think I'm probably just gonna relax. By the way, I have a tropical juice with soda water or sparkling water and blueberries in it, which is absolutely delicious and alcohol free, so enjoying.
So, first let me bring in my wonderful model. As you guys all know, this is B.
Hi.
Bea essentially lives with me now, forever.
Yeah, you can't get rid of me.
No. Keep telling her it's not going to happen.